get into my pamper routine, I'd like to give a huge shout out to Clarence for sponsoring today's video. Keep watching it so you can see how I utilize the double serum eye into my pamper routine. Let's get started. I don't know about y'all, but I love to set the mood before I get started with my pamper routine. So I love to put on candle and play some music. Recently, I've been really getting into Afro beats like I've never done before. So let's just vibe. Unfortunately, you guys will not be able to hear my Afro beats playlist. So how about we play some calm therapeutic music throughout this video. First thing first, I like to get in the shower in the morning. This is the only way I can have a productive day. If I don't take a shower, I'm most likely just laying in bed. But as soon as I take a shower, it's just like this rejuvenation that goes through my body, and I just feel this positivity to just have a better day. So yes, my shower stays steam, it's piping hot. And on days that I'm not wearing a wig and I don't have anything on, I really like to be under that waterfall, and it's just like scorching hot running down my scalp, down to my body. And then to really clean off my feet, I do like to scrub it. I feel like sometimes I do intend to walk around the house without shoes, and I notice with the laminate flooring, it does make my feet dry. So I like to scrub my feet in the shower, because babes, when I'm laying down in bed, I hope I'm not the only one that does this, but I love to just like use my other leg to feel on the back of my feet the entire time. And the other way too to make my skin really soft and smooth is by exfoliating. Now I only exfoliate twice a week and sometimes just once. I don't think it's something that it's good for you to do every single day, but if you feel like you need it, then hey, do it. And after a long steamy shower, I like to get into my skincare routine. Personally, I prefer doing it after my shower. I know some people do it before, but this is my way. And I also recently adapted to the 1 minute cleansing routine, and I learned this from Shakiana specifically, and so I've been doing it, and I honestly love it. Just kind of sitting there and just massaging my face for 1 minute. It makes me feel like I'm actually doing something for my skin. I'm going to be using the Clarence Double Serum Eye to help relieve puffiness and hydrate my eyes. The double serum is 2 power-packed serum in one for visibly smoother, firmer, hydrated, more youthful looking eyes in just 7 days. The Clarence application method helps to stimulate lymphatic drainage. So basically you start off from the inner eye corner and you want to count to 4 out to your temples, and you want to repeat that same step on your top lid, and again starting from the inner eye corner out to your temple, counting 4 times, and then you just want to press that product right in between your brows. And that is basically the lymphatic drainage method of applying this. So the serum does have this comfort of a cream with a tightening effect of a gel. The 2-in-1 formula is packed with 13 plant ingredient, including organic wild Chavez, turmeric, avocado, ginger lily, kiwi, and so much more. I'm going to have the link in the description bar down below, so don't forget to check that out. I feel like part of pampering yourself is just making time for yourself, your body, and your mind, all of that. And when it comes to like moisturizing my body, I love to take my time to do so. On days that I don't, I can definitely feel it in myself. I mean, who's gonna love you more than you? You know what I mean? So yeah, this is basically me time. I enjoy putting moisturizer on myself. This is the definition of melanin. She is glowing. She is sun-kissed. This summer has nothing on me. And it all has to do with self-love. I come first. And I show up for myself. But you know what we need to show up for next? Is this feet. It's crusty. It needs to get done. So let's get ready and go get this nails done. I have a love and hate relationship for going into the shop to get my nails done. And there are so many reasons why I don't like to go into the shops anymore. But when it comes to my feet, I just have not been able to find someone that I can call over to the house to do my feet. So I do still have to go into the shops. Some days I'm very lucky based on the person I get to do my feet. And some days it's not so lucky. Particular person that was doing my nails this time, I guess just doesn't know how to do French tip. And it just was a disaster. I walked out of there without being happy, but that's fine. Because the next day, I went and got my lashes done. Alright, y'all. So I am here about to get my lashes done. And today I am doing, what is it? The wispy
class. I mean the wispy hybrids.
The wispy hybrids. Last time I got the classic, which I really like. But I actually really do like wispies too. And she does it so well. So we are going to be getting wispies today. Lashes are done. I feel so cute. So pretty. So after getting my lashes done, that same day I got my nails done because I was way overdue for some filling. This is my second time using Maylene as a house call to come do my nails, and honestly I enjoy this a lot. I just feel like she takes her time, and since I started getting my nails done with her, she had taught me a lot about nails, because I always wonder when I go into the shops why I'm getting my nails done and they are burning. And she told me it's because they were using this illegal liquid that they're not supposed to use on your nails, and so that's why it burns. And honestly, this is my second time with her, but the first and second time that she has done my nails so far, I have not experienced any of that burning or pain. I have not experienced that with her. So, you know, I do not mind the extra charge that I'm getting to have her come to the house and do my nails. Love this experience, and I just hope I can find somebody that can come to the house and do my feet because I'm tired. But thank you for watching this video, and remember to be your own kind of beautiful and be kind to yourself Guys, I do want to ask you guys for one favor, and that is to like this video. And if you're not subscribed, to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, and bye.